Another show has passed, and another failure to add to my collection. What are you doing, Bobby? Every time you perform, you suck. Is it really worth it all? Everyone tells me I'm funny, but I don't know. I just don't know.
Gone? Gone? You finished the milk and you are gone? Give me some of your cereal, Bobby Smiley.
I really don't have to, Brandon Smiley.
Come on, Bobby, you're being stupid. Give me some of your cereal.
Who are you calling stupid? Mister took a ruler to bed to see how long you slept. So stupid you thought Hamburger Helper came with another person. So stupid you jumped out of a window and went up.
You're killing the mood of this fight with your efforts at being funny. Simply put, you suck, and that's your weakness.
You fool! That was the last of it. There's no more. You made me drop it.
If I can't have any of the cereal, no one will.
I will have my cereal. Stores are open and I will purchase some and have it for myself.
Bags. They will be mine. We're not speaking now? Nothing to say? No jokes? Not an ounce of humor to add to?
Are you gonna shut your mouth and fight? You talk more than a preteen with a cell phone.
Your technique is weak, Bobby. You treat this art like a joke.
What are you, crazy? I go to the Art Institute.
want some cereal?
Ask for it, and you will receive it. The path that I've chosen is a long one, and now, although I am frightened, I am not weak. This is just an obstacle. It will get better, and one day,